How to find your unique value proposition, UVP, quickly. Struggling to stand out in today's competitive market? Without a clear unique value proposition, UVP, your startup risks blending into the crowd. A strong UVP clearly tells customers why your product is the best choice for them and builds lasting loyalty. Ready to create yours? Let's dive in. Your UVP starts not with your product, but with your customer. What specific problem are they facing? Spend time understanding their frustrations, needs, and desires. The more clearly you define this pain point, the easier it becomes to position your product as the perfect solution. Now, identify what sets your startup apart. Is it your innovative technology? Unmatched service? Deep expertise? Focus on one or two key strengths that your competitors simply can't claim. This differentiation should directly solve your customer's problem in a way that feels unique and compelling. Craft a short, clear statement that conveys your UVP in just a sentence or two. Avoid vague claims like best quality or great service. Instead, be specific. Save 50% on team communication costs or daily meal kits made for busy professionals. Test your message with real customers and adapt based on their feedback. Your UVP isn't just a tagline, it's the backbone of your brand. Highlight it on your website, social media, product packaging, and sales pitches. Consistently communicating this value ensures that potential customers quickly understand what you offer and why you are the right choice. Make your UVP irresistible, actionable, and easy to remember. Finding your UVP doesn't need to take weeks. Start today by identifying one customer pain point and one unique strength. Remember, clarity is key. If you enjoyed this guide, like, share, and subscribe for more startup tips. Let's help your business stand out and thrive in the competitive market.